Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We got another exhaust video. Let me show you who we have here tonight. It's our buddy Cyron, and he's back. I don't think we're gonna show you much of the process because we did so much exhaust videos already. So just a few snippets and then sound clips. Alright, right now they're working on the white pipe, trying to take it off. I think Clyde got his side off. How about you, Cyron? What are you doing? He's already working on this side. Cyron.
I'm too fat, bro. I can't fit. What kind of excuse that?
Yeah. So we're taking off the white pipe, mid pipe, and then I guess, what do you call this? The axle back muffler part.
I don't think this one.
He has a dual tips. He has the MagnaFlow dual exhaust on them right now. I'm actually kind of jealous because this is the exhaust that I'm planning on getting in the future for my car. Bang. You guys already know what this is. Tomei single exit, full titanium all the way to the white pipe. Underwear model. Shake it. Yeah, you. Woo. Right, so quick update. We finally got the whole exhaust off. Took longer than expected, as it always is. Cyron, how you feeling?
I made it tight.
You made it tight. Yeah, you. But here we go. Time to install the Tomei. Alright, so we got done finishing the Tomei. Oh, looks sexy. Look at this piping right here. Oh. Oh! God damn. Cyron.
Too much sauce.
Was worth it or what?
You don't know yet.
Huh?
You don't know yet.
Okay, we gotta start it up then. Okay, 1 to 10 difficulty, Cyron. What would you rate it?
For me, 0 experience. Fucking 8.
8 out of 10. Okay.
Or first time off.
But not bad. We got it done.
What?
No major hiccups.
Oh
so,
yeah, that's true.
you know,
Everything was easy.
not like my exhaust. We have to go get some like extra bolts and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was pretty easy. Way easier. Nah, I wouldn't say way easier than yours, but we just had, you know, we done it like twice, 3 times maybe.
Yeah.
Well,
like,
I did
like 3 times already.
Twice, yeah.
Your car's next, huh? Muffler delete at least.
Muffler delete at least.
With the X pipe.
With the X pipe.
Yeah,
Cherry.
Okay. Yeah, this was just gonna be a short, quick vlog.
What you call that?
We're ready to start it up. Yeah, Cyron. What you think though of the overall look? You like this or the dual exhaust better?
I don't know. Probably grow on you.
It'll grow on you. Yeah. I didn't like mine in the beginning, but it grew on me.
It's gonna grow on you.
I think it looks really good.
I don't like them after a while.
Oh shit. What is this? Kinda not super cold start, but like kinda, right? Let's just say medium start, because it's not hot, it's not super cold. Yeah. Oh, that sounds aggressive. Cyron is such a nice friend. He's letting me do the honors of test driving it first. So I think he wants to hear it from the outside first. So here we go.
Here we go. Test drive.
Let's give it a little rev first. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Okay. We're kinda on the main road, so I'm gonna rip it a little.
Yeah, just a little bit. true what they say about Tomeis. Woo! They sound
Oh my god.
A1. A1.
Let me know if I'm good.
You're good.
Holy shit.
Oh, Cyron, I hope you like this exhaust, bro.
Oh my god. Dude, I think the car feels faster too. I don't know if it's just butt dyno.
I don't know, dude.
Woo!
But this car, wow.
I don't want to do full throttle.
Kind of
I
sketch.
feel like there's cops around.
Yeah, especially on this main road we're on.
That was an accident. It's in S mode.
Yeah, see?
Oh, another cop. Shit.
Just like we said, you never know, there's a cop like right
Pulling
there
over.
chilling.
I pulled over another car.
Oh yeah, I actually pulled over another car. So
I'm gonna keep it cool.
yeah, we gotta keep it cool. Sorry guys, we can't really do pulls, but
Let's try with the windows up.
bro,
Imagine this with test pipes. Holy shit.
basically straight.
This is with 2 cats on.
Gotta get a tune on this car.
Yeah.
If you get like a nice
Just to get-
verbal tune,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah, perfect. Let it pop a little bit. Oh, the downshifts are
Damn.
A1. I like the downshift.
First impressions.
It's fucking loud. Should have gotten the muffler. It's the muffler. Not the white
You gotta
pipe.
go all out.
The white pipe fucking loud as
Nah, the
fuck.
Wi-Fi pipe.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bang.